Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm taking a look at Google's search business and how it's rapidly evolving in the AI era with an excellent write-up here from Ars Technica. Let's jump into it. So we had Google I/O yesterday, and I'm not going to do a roundup on that as I thought it was mostly more of the same from Google, AI everything, and they're trying classes again. But Google did introduce something important for their search business, which is more than half of their revenue, and that's AI mode, which is a more traditional AI chatbot experience instead of the results page of 10 blue links. AI mode goes even further down the rabbit hole towards disrupting the relationship Google has with content creators. And it seems, at least for now, AI mode doesn't even provide a list of links. I couldn't make it work for me, so I can't confirm exactly what the experience looks like, and I'm sure it's going to evolve over time. But remember, those links are the pathway that publishers get paid for their content, so making a new search experience without them is a huge deal. This article points out that in March of 2024, Google put out its algorithm update that saw many publishers lose traffic, presumably to AI overviews and zero-click searches. And what's even crazier is that in that update, Google deprioritized AI-generated content from search results while putting their own AI-generated content on the search page. That's some really bold business there. Let's crush the publishers and feed our own giant machine with the remains. Feels like a Microsoft move from 20 years ago. At some point, the fact that publishers and Google are in the same business, which is monetizing eyeballs by selling ads, is going to become unsustainable. But this conflict isn't new. AI overviews and AI mode are part of a long-standing strategy of keeping users on Google properties longer and longer to serve more ads. They even boast about it. And for a long time now, Google has been putting its own content on search results like YouTube and Google Maps. This clearly helps Google keep more traffic and enable it to sell more ads. How much longer will publishers give their content to Google to index in return for less and less traffic? The model is going to break down at some point. Google is slowly taking the ad spend that was going to publishers and capturing it for itself. This is a serious problem for these content creation businesses, and at a minimum, I think we're going to lose some companies along the way. And as for Google, it's not hyperbole to say that navigating this change will determine the fate of the company. Their biggest revenue stream is under serious disruption pressure, and the courts may force Google to sell some of its assets in various antitrust cases. So yeah, the story continues for Google's survival. What do you think about it? Leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.